Guys, welcome. It's Easter Twan After Dark. Halloween is my favorite holiday, and guess what? All month long, I'm going to be giving you some amazing recipes that you can try right at home, like this poisonous punch or this witch's brew margarita. Listen, I have the whole thing laid out for you guys, but listen, y'all gotta stay tuned. It's all month long. In the meantime, I'm gonna have me a little chip and some dip. I'll see y'all on the flip side.
I have 4 spooky Halloween cocktails. They're all easy to make and they will be a crowd pleaser. First up, the Witch's Brew Margarita. Now, I'm going to start with a nice Halloween themed glass. You can use whatever glass you like. I'm going to line the glass rim with some black sanding sugar. That's going to give a nice spooky effect, alright? Just like that. The lime and the black sanding sugar is a perfect combo. Now, get you a shaker. In that shaker, add whatever tequila you like. I'm using 1800. You can use whatever brand you like. You know I'm not too picky. Now, I'm adding triple sec to that. Now, we're going to build a nice Witch's Brew Margarita, folks. And I'll have the measurements in the description for you to follow. I'm adding some apple liqueur, green apple. Ooh, it's going to give it that perfect color. Give it a squeeze of a half of a lime, just like that, folks. And we're building a quick Witch's Brew Margarita. Add your ice to your shaker, folks. Bam, that's it. We're going to shake it. We're going to pour it over into our glass just like that. Is a perfect Witch's Brew Margarita, folks. But we're not finished. Now we got to put a lime on the side. Here's a tip. That black sanding sugar, if it gets inside of the Witch's Brew Margarita, it may turn it black, just like that. I added some dry ice. As you can see, the green went away. But folks, just be careful. If you like it that color, that's fine.
What's up, y'all? It's Easter Twan After Dark, and today we have the Witch's Brew Margarita. Whew. Cheers. The first drink is yours. Woo. A little heavy on tequila, but it's pretty good. Let me know down below, you try my Witch's Brew Margarita. Only a few ingredients, some black sanding sugar, and there you have, you got yourself a nice Halloween cocktail.
Before we get into the next recipe, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more recipes from Easter Twan. This one's for the whiskey lovers. This is Twan's Halloween Whiskey Smash. It is so amazing. Grab you a shaker. Get you some fresh blackberries. To the blackberries, you want to add some honey. Yes, add as much honey as you want. But remember, folks, I got the ingredients down below. Now I add a squeeze of a little lemon. Then I add some Sir Davis American Whiskey. Now, don't worry, folks. I know the bottle's almost empty. I love that Sir Davis American Whiskey. I got a fresh bottle in the bar. Now, I like to muddle my blackberries honey with the liquor. You can muddle them without the liquid, but I prefer to muddle them with the liquid. Add you some ice to the shaker. Give it a nice shake, just like that. Now, over a glass, you want to use a strainer so you can have a nice smooth drink just like that. Ooh, look at that blackberry whiskey smash. Now listen, I topped it off with some ginger beer, just like that. When I finish, you're going to light you a sprig of rosemary. That smoky effect is going to be amazing with this cocktail. Go ahead and add that rosemary sprig to your cocktail. Garnish it with some blackberries, add some dry ice, folks, and there you have it.
Next up, I have Twan's Halloween Whiskey Smash. Garnish it with some blackberries. I have Sir Davis whiskey. Cheers. This is a runner up. I like that. The whiskey, the ginger beer is hitting. Let me know in the comments. You want to try Twan's Halloween Whiskey Smash? I'm telling y'all gonna like this one.
Every Halloween needs a drink that looks and tastes amazing. Introducing my Poison Apple Fizz.
I'm demolishing this cocktail, y'all.
You can't get into the Halloween season without lighting a skull candle. In a shaker, you're going to add some cranberry juice. To that, you want to add some apple cider. I'm using a Honeycrisp cider. Now, just like in the corner store, you hit the bottom of the bottle and crack open the top. Add some vodka. Kettle One vodka is what I'm using. Add as much or as little as you like. Again, I'll have the recipe ingredients down below along with the measurements. I'm adding black food coloring. I added some ice. Now I'm going to give everything a nice shake, folks. And listen, that's a very quick cocktail recipe. Look at that. Pour it into a glass just like that. Now we're not finished. We're going to top it off with some ginger beer for a nice little fizz. Then you're going to garnish it with an apple slice and, of course, a cinnamon stick. Now, folks, this is a quick and easy Halloween cocktail. Don't forget your dry ice for that spooky Halloween effect.
Next up, we have the Poison Apple Fizz. Pretty good. You can garnish it with a Honeycrisp apple and some cinnamon. I'm actually going to put my cinnamon right inside. Ooh, yeah. Take a look at this glass. I don't want to drop it, but listen, this is pretty good. This is an amazing Halloween cocktail. Ooh, I got the right amount of fizz. Poison apple. Take a bite of the apple. As you can see, the apple, poisonous. Let me know down in the comments you want to give this Poison Apple Fizz a try.
If you're throwing a Halloween party, this is the drink that steals the show. This is Isso's Twan's Haunted Halloween Punch. It's spooky, smoky, and big batch friendly for those parties. To my punch bowl, I'm going to add some ginger ale. You know, it's a cure for everything. Use whatever brand you like. To that ginger ale, I'm going to add some cranberry juice. Yes, this is big batch friendly, so you can add as much or as little as you like. To that, I'm adding some pineapple juice. It's going to add the right bit of sweetness to that tart cranberry juice. That Myers rum is going to give us that warmth that we need. That dark molasses is going to be amazing, okay? Remember, be heavy with the rum. Now, I have some blood red oranges. Yes, blood red oranges. Cut those into slices. Add that to your punch bowl along with some fresh blackberries. That's going to really embody the Halloween theme. I had some skull ice cubes. I added that. And I had some eyeball ice cubes. Now, those are gummies that I just put water in and then popped them in the freezer. So once your guests go ahead and grab some of that punch, guess what's going to happen? They're going to pick that punch up and they're going to have an eyeball, some blackberries, and that blood red orange slice. Perfect. I added my Halloween decor to the punch bowl to give that Halloween effect, but we're not finished. We have to add some dry ice, folks. Yes, add that dry ice, and this is going to embody the Halloween spooky season. This is so perfect. Your guests are really going to like this punch. Now, as you can see, every time I grab some punch, I get a nice eyeball. And we got the skeleton just relaxing in the Halloween punch.
All right, this is Isso's Twan Haunted Halloween Punch. Woo! This is gonna be the one for the party. I'm telling y'all, this one's gonna be the one for the party. Yeah, I like that. It's nice and smooth. That rum definitely hit the spot. Cheers. Remember, folks, drink responsibly and stay spooky.